Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got painted polished Nuna. I'm going to do a night sky manicure for Gina Rose. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Luna from Painted Polish. We're going to go in with our first coat. This polish is so very pretty. It's a beautiful gray and then it's got shimmer and chrome flakies. Ugh. I'm in love. I love it. I have to go over the top again because with capping my free edge I smudged stuff around. We're going to fix it though. And here we go with our second coat of Luna. Really do like this one. I'm going to cap my free edge again. Just for good measure, just to make sure. Those flakies, I don't want nothing sticking out. There we go. We're going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down. And then we're going to do some night sky stamping. There we go. Capping that free edge. Gotta get woody out here because I can't do with that glob up under my nail. And we're gonna just run around the nail real quick. Here's a photo of Luna on its own. I'll be using Maniology M119 and Winstonia W116 and I think that's it. But this is Luna from Maniology. We've got Brave Steve on the black and also Maniology's Mirror. So I broke out a bunch of stuff today. My monocle stamper and a generic scraper card. So I did have that also, that Bundle Monster S187 plate. And I'm just going to do like an outline of trees across some of the nails. And this one, I'm telling you, I'm not used to breaking out this many gadgets to do one manicure, so I'm hoping it goes well. I'm cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm just going to run across this image. Just pick up different bits and pieces. Get a little heavy-handed with my scraping, and I'm going to pick up some of this excess with tape. So I just don't want that up on my design or on my finger. Oh, some of it didn't stick, so I'm popping back in. There we go. Good enough. So we're going to just continue on with this. I love these plates that have these stretched out images that you could just run across your nails. And, you know, you can overlap it. You can, you know, use more of the image again if you need to, depending on how wide or how, you know, how much of it you want to use. It's really nice. On this one, I've got a little bit left over, so I'm going to roll it over to my thumbnail. And then I'm going to put this moon. It's going to be a double stamped moon over, my middle fingernail. I don't know that I executed this just perfectly, but that's okay. It's just nail polish. I am getting some of this excess up, and I probably should have re-stamped this, but I'm trying to save it. I don't know why. Don't ask why. I'm just trying to save it. And there we go. We're going to add that to the center of the nail. And that's the background image. And now I'm going to clean the plate off and go in with Mirror, and pull up the outside lines to this moon image. There we go. Rolling, pulling, picking it up. And there we go. Get the excess up, and then I'm going to try to line it up and plop it down. So there we go. Got our big moon image in the middle. And then I'm going to use this Winstonia plate. I've got to use these flying bats. Now it's going to be on my thumb, so it won't be on the swatch photo, but I still wanted to use them. Kind of like a flock of bats flying out of the woods. We have bats here that we watch in the evenings fly overhead along the tree line, eating the bugguses. So here we go. We're going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess off of the skin. Not much to get there. I don't even have to break out the acetone. Such a clean manicure. That doesn't happen often. So I'm going to top it with the Smudge-Free Top Coat from Maniology. Brings that black stamp and polish to life when you do the top coat. And then I'm going to top everything off with Moonshine Manny's Let's Go Top Coat. And we'll call this one done. And I really did enjoy this one. I think it's really a neat manicure. And I want to thank Gina Rose for requesting it. And here's my swatch photo. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.